Welcome to Ulosca channel. Access all nursing practice questions. Nursing research methods, practice questions with answers. Part 3.
Question 1. Which of the following is an example of a variable in a research study? A. The researcher's opinion. B. The data analysis method. C. The patient's age. D. The type of study conducted. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. The patient's age. Explanation. A variable in a research study refers to something that can be measured or changed. The patient's age is a variable because it can vary across individuals and can be measured. The other options are not variables. Question 2. Which of the following is the primary function of a sample in research? A. To represent the entire population. B. To increase the validity of the research question. C. To simplify the data analysis process. D. To collect data from a specific population subset. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. To increase the validity of the research question. Explanation. A sample is meant to represent the entire population. The goal is to use a small group to draw conclusions about a larger group. The other options are not the primary function of a sample. Question 3. In nursing research, what is the primary ethical concern? A. Ensuring participants are compensated. B. Ensuring participants' confidentiality and voluntary participation. C. Ensuring the research findings are accurate. D. Ensuring the researcher's personal beliefs align with the study. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Ensuring participants' confidentiality and voluntary participation. Explanation. The primary ethical concern is ensuring participants' confidentiality and voluntary participation. This ensures the study follows ethical standards and respects participants' rights. Question 4. What does peer review in research ensure? A. That the research is published quickly. B. That the research is free from errors. C. That the research is valid and reliable. D. That the research is biased in favor of the researcher. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is D. That the research is biased in favor of the researcher. Explanation. Peer review ensures that research is valid and reliable. It involves experts evaluating the research for accuracy, methodology, and contribution to the field. Question 5. Which of the following is an example of a dependent variable in a study? A. The treatment given to the participants. B. The time of day the research is conducted. C. The health outcomes measured in the study. D. The method of data collection. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is A. The treatment given to the participants. Explanation. The health outcomes are the dependent variables because they depend on the treatment or intervention provided. The other options do not fit as dependent variables.
Thank you for watching. For more practice exam questions, subscribe to our website at www.ulosca.com.